Hi and welcome to GoFax. In this video we will guide you through Alphanumeric Sender ID registration. Let's get started. From the 1st of July 2026, any business using a Sender ID must register with ACMA, the Australian Communications and Media Authority. An alphanumeric sender is made up of letters and numbers, like your brand name, instead of a phone number. When you are registered, this proves that the messages are from your business, and it stops your Sender ID from being replaced with Unverified. Before you start, you'll need to have three things handy: your Australian business number, the authorised contact details that match your listing on the Australian Business Register, and a myID account at standard strength. When you're ready, log into your GoFax account and navigate to Sender ID in Send SMS service. Click on Register Now next to an existing Sender ID to start registration, or click on Register New to register a new Sender ID. Start by choosing alphanumeric as the Sender ID type and click Next. Then enter your ABN. Make sure to click Look Up ABN. Your business name will automatically populate. Add your website, business address, and phone number and click Next. Now it's time to enter the Sender ID. If you are registering an existing Sender ID, you won't be able to change this. You'll need to follow ACMA requirements for Sender IDs. Sender IDs must be between 2 to 11 characters, not numbers only, no space or underscore at the start or end, and no prohibited words can be used. Then add the details for your authorised contact. This must be the same person listed on the Australian Business Register. Then choose a valid reason for using the Sender ID. Usually that's a registered business name, company name, trademark, or domain. Next, explain in a sentence or two how you'll use the Sender ID, for example sending marketing messages or sending one-time password codes. Finally, agree to the declaration and submit. Your main ABR contact will get an email from ACMA. They have to click the link in the AMCA email and log in to the ACMA Assist portal. To log in, they will have to confirm their identity with the myID app. Standard strength in the myID app is required. ACMA won't process anything until this process is complete. Once it's approved by ACMA, you'll receive a confirmation email. You'll also receive an email from GoFax. Once you've received these, your Sender ID will be available to use when sending messages. Thanks for choosing GoFax. For more tips and tutorials, visit our support page or contact our 5-star support team.